Peeps, this is our biggest plantation find, you know, one of the houses, you know, and guess what? We have find all of the house them together because one more up there, right, it's a sheep. One more they right up there, so peeps. Come like the house of an underground, like it have a lower floor.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Figure. I really think I look. In there for real, look?
Yeah. Put a finger in your mouth. No, put a finger in his mouth. And you know.
You do it.
Yeah, friend, yes, man.
You do it, no?
When I wake up, what do that?
Guys, today we are head out to one place called Danvers Pen. We're in search of a great house and the plantation mansion from the 1700s. It's a slave plantation. However, at the first I go to the community there. We're gonna be going through a community and try to get some interview, ask some questions and all of that. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna find what I look for. Hopefully I do. Alright. So I buy socks, wear them slippers them, and they are waiting for a taxi still because we have to take a taxi. You know taxi hard to get, so we just go and walk in the meanwhile until we get a taxi. So I keep buying socks then. So we are going to walk until we get a taxi. Yeah man, the breeze bad on the road and I know don't. Yeah man, taxi hard to get, you know. So yeah, might as well go and walk till we get one though. Yeah man, follow me.
Sweat and blood, your empire was built on sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, their empire was built on sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. With the rich and powerful too, with free slave labor, plantation go for miles without no neighbor. America the soul is the black man grave, yeah. Caribbean the place with colonial slave, yeah. Fight for freedom because you're brave, but politics and religion that now go save, yeah. Freedom is
Peeps, we still there a walk. I go down, I head towards Lot. Yeah man. And yeah, as I told you, I'm going on a community where I'm never going to Danvers Pen. I think I drive through Danvers Pen when the road is cut off, go Belvedere, but I'm never going to Danvers Pen like that. Alright, so I'm going to a new community, new grounds, and I know I'm excited about that. You see me? But at the end of the day, I'm trying to find the Great House Mansion. Alright, I see if I can find a couple of people to talk to and all of that. You see me? But yeah, I know I get people to talk to because we will be going through a community, not through bushes as usual. So this is supposed to be exciting. Yeah, so come with it. See, this parish is filled with so many beautiful features. It's the mountain, the way over there, so the Blue Mountains. Yeah, filled with so many beautiful features. Where if I follow all of that, I now go reach a Danvers Pen with a battery. You see me? Yeah man, beautiful mountainside, but guess what? I go have battery because I'm showing you something now, peeps. I'm showing you something. I have this. I have this. Is it? It's a charger. Yeah, it's a battery charger. So peeps, I go have battery. But look at all that. Look at the fantastic footage. Yo. Like, I want to save the clip here and don't upload it in the vlog. Because, yeah, it's for me. My eyes only. It's too beautiful to give away. Gonna follow my peeps.
So, as I said, this is Alex, and Alex gonna bar gonna buy the duck with them rum, so you know when we reach on the location, you know him have rum can get the duck with them, and just want to say thanks to all of the supporters who always donate, so you know all the things kinda comfortable and we can buy water, we can pay with fare, yeah, so I just want to say big up to everybody, alright? Yeah.
So, taxi. Now taxi and now head to Danvers Pen. So, yeah. I'm going to make you know when we reach and all of that. I don't want to film inside the cab because, you know, people don't like it in the face inside the camera. Yeah peeps, we are now at the Danvers Pen crossing. Yeah, that's the Danvers Pen bridge. Watch the mountains in the background. Yo, yeah, so we're gonna be going up this road. This is the road to Danvers Pen. Hakeem with him pink bag. Hakeem, what you say to the people? You know, you lot the people from Martin?
Yeah, let me big up everybody from Jamaica.
Yeah man. Yeah man, so this is the road that we are go up and we're heading to Danvers Pen. Wanna follow me? Go walk. Quick, fast type walk. Yeah peeps, so you know Danvers Pen is a high community. So we actually there up in the hills already. Yeah man. So yeah. We're going to walk. We want to find a great house peeps, but yeah, I'm not sure we're gonna find it because when I know the community, I mean never come in the community. I just hope somebody can direct me to that great house. So that way the peeps. Yeah peeps, so we'll go up Danvers Pen Hill. We'll buy the rum in the peeps. We'll keep him drink it off. See him there. You know, I'm tired for true peeps. Drunk him drunk. And time we're up on the expedition. I drunk him drunk, you know. Tired. But anyway, we'll do it. A lot of him vibes, is it? Left him to the dock with them and them can't get none. Yeah? Follow me. Yeah peeps, we don't know what we are going. Like seriously, I told you guys it's the first time I'm coming to this community, so I don't know where we are going. So I'm going to go ask direction. You know, follow me, go ask direction, please. Hello. Hello. You come from Danvers Pen? You come from Danvers Pen? Yeah man, we are looking for a place. Yeah, I guess. You're a Rasta man. So you know to come out. We are looking for a place named Petersfield.
Petersfield?
Yeah.
Now where down someone?
Where?
Down a Batam Pen I go up man.
How far?
We down a Batam Pen around 2 miles. Down in a square and go down, pass it, go down. And you can't and we show you.
We are looking for a great house with a Petersfield.
Oh.
You know that there?
No, I don't know about Rolly House. Rolly House usually.
No, great house like a old house.
Well,
a
house
slave
with
house.
brick. With brick and
Yes.
something.
Okay. That's your find it still, is it?
Yeah, man. We have it. We have to down and far road. Petersfield, we have a roaring a mile.
No problem, man. Alright.
That's where the island come from.
Trinity Ville come from, Mr. Kingstonian, but I work with Google and we are trying to put back St. Thomas on the map. Show them say your life in a St. Thomas. So, no make sense them sell you out, no? Yeah, man. So, if you have people foreign where you want big up, you can look on the camera and big them up still.
No, man. It's alright, man. No problem, man.
Alright, blessed family.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah,
give
man.
thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
How far from here, Petersfield? What happened? You can tell me that mileage or kilometer how far that? Me here 1, me here 2, me here no, me here 4. Alright, so we are trying to find it still because a great house around there we are trying to find it, is it? Alright, respect, yeah? So guys, we're up on way in a Danvers Pen. Danvers Pen big, you know? Yeah man, Danvers Pen big. And them I tell me 4, 2, 1. I don't know much miles to where we're going. But yeah, we are do it because I got to come for do. So we're gonna do it. Alright? Yeah. So follow me. Yeah, you know Petersfield?
Petersfield.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way. I'm not think up there, so man.
No man, I'm up here, so. Down, so. Anyway, you know about the way you want to shout out, do it now. Because a long time I want to keep on camera now.
Big up all my real friend. Them, you know, say a mama chin thing, you know. Real works, you know. A real singer, you know. I bust a one tune, you know. Tell the world that we have a problem. See the money that we have to spend. And people like to see the money where we spend here. And we don't have it, but my ability is up there. See the virus, even got to have a weaker. But I know my life is very, very sweet. Didn't want them on the virus cause it's weakened. The whole world is seeking where the virus comes from. Mashing up the place, mashing up the world, killing all the boys, killing all the girls. There is no life, there is no life. When it comes to virus, a serious time. When it in my pocket, there is no more. Got a virus killing drives, killing me shortly. So many people dying gone, and I'm still here watching them. Saying virus too much, how can we relax? Think about the virus we haven't been trust. The virus and the world gifted, it's nothing good for us now. You know, I tell you what, I just
Yes,
the virus, we don't like it, you know, cause it mash up the world, killing off the boys and the girls. Yo, how we are going to manage, you know?
Big up, big
Yeah,
up, big
man.
up.
Up in our band.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. I did. Yeah, man. King Selassie.
Yeah man, Danvers Pen have one of the better set of roads, as you guys notice. Is it? We're in a Danvers Pen and then it's about 2 miles. So yeah.
Calm before the storm, gold and diamond.
Where is it? Boy? Can I get on banana cheese and juice, please? Chopped or something like that. Okay. Now banana cheese and juice. Banana ginger beer. Listen up now.
No, I'm gonna say it's good. I'm gonna say it's good.
You want a blue juice? How much you need pepper?
What you want to do? Well, cheese, may I eat that? Cheese, mess up my migraine, but just bring it up again.
Check everything together?
Yeah. Come here. Give me a moment. Where am I find Petersfield?
Petersfield, we're not back up then.
Okay. So we don't have to sometime I'll just write this in.
No, sir, good something I want. Good. No, it's square just turned down. I got the factory.
They say good.
Good,
Yeah,
what
but
then?
okay, factory.
You don't know the factory? What I factory?
Surgeon Land factory.
No, man. You don't pass that person.
Oh, Aki factory.
Yes, Apple factory. So no need to Apple factory to
Good,
go right up.
yes,
Two time last
no, that's it.
Yeah.
How far like push you say?
Good work.
Can you cut the steel please?
Good walking, man. Trust me.
That's our type.
That's all we can walk.
I'm up there.
That's all we can walk.
You don't can walk on it, but you don't stay for a while.
Oh, worth it. Worth it to go on. More than that.
Good guy. 4 minutes after 2. No, I'm not to wash her.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Can you get more money? Much more money left?
No, I'm going to give back $10.
Okay. Yeah, peeps. You know, the journey seemed like it got longer than we anticipated. Because we're up on our main road, and a lot of people might tell us, say, yo, way around so. And then when we reach way around so, we have to walk way back in the bush. I don't know, peeps. I go do it still. I don't know if I catch curfew time at 8 o'clock. But I try to do it still, so you wanna come with me. And let me know if y'all with me, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Peeps, we're still up on the main road. I walk up around Danvers Pen. And like, it's gonna be a long journey. But we are doing it. See, Akeem there. You're tired yet, Akeem? Alright, you're not tired yet. So, yeah, peeps. We'll see if we can do it. I'm not sure, but if we can make it to the Great House, we're showing the aqueduct, because this should have been a driving journey, but we decided so we walk. Alright, so I kind of glimpse the aqueduct one night time. I'm not sure if I eat. I don't know, I can't see so good enough. Yeah, I don't know if I eat, but then yeah, we'll go around the corner and I go down, so if it's it, we're going to see it. Alright, yeah. Benji?
Yes, we're down at the henna pen down this way. You have to turn on that road
Okay.
and follow that road until you reach to an intersection where one road goes up, one road go the other side. You don't go on this road, because if you go on this road, you're going henna fountain. But if
Okay.
you follow the other road, you go right to Petersfield.
You know, I'm looking for a great house in Petersfield, and my research told me that Petersfield actually connected with Fonthill. Now you just confirmed that.
Yes,
You know.
great house. Who's whose property is it on?
That is what we are trying to do. We are doing the research, but we have to find the property to know whose property it was.
Because I was living at Petersfield further on.
Okay.
I was a young girl.
Okay.
I used to work with Captain. I used to work with Captain. I was living at Petersfield.
Okay.
So, I understand there was a house up there by Watson.
Watson.
Yeah.
Is that the name of the owner of the great house?
Watson, I understand there was a house there.
Because we are hearing about John Peters, and we're here, so that's why it name is Petersfield, because back in slavery days.
Okay. But I know Mr. Watson was there. And Coptic had a big house there.
Who is Coptic?
It was the Ethiopian Zion Coptic Church.
Okay.
They used to be at Crete now.
Oh.
But then, there was a set of Rasta. But then, the thing break down, and everybody have to separate.
Okay, okay, okay.
The only big house I know is Mr. Watson used to live.
Okay, is a walking distance from here though?
Yeah man, it's a good walking distance if you could not get a taxi to carry up there.
If we see a taxi, we take a taxi still, but
yeah, man.
if we're not sitting on, we have to go walk.
Yes, and if you follow that road where you walk on the now Petersfield, you know where you drop out? Eunice Valley.
Where is that?
Opposite Yallas.
Okay,
And
okay.
you follow the same road again. The same road where you drop out of Eunice Valley, it drop you right down at the police station of Yallas.
Okay, okay. So we have to ask directions just
You
so not
have
to
to
get
just
lost.
seek direction.
Alright.
But you are on your way now. You go right down and you go right down to the end of the road. You don't
Okay.
stop anywhere.
Okay.
There's a bridge down there where them call Benji. You're going to go down there go see 1 and 2 people.
Okay.
Because the time is hot. And as I tell you, go on that road. You walk a couple, change them, and go home. That road go to Frontier. That road go to Petersfield.
Okay, the one on the left go to Petersfield.
Yes, you have a long walk from this to reach a Petersfield. Because when we are going to Petersfield a morning time, I just ask me put my picnic down.
Okay, it can't too far though, because the forefathers and our ancestors
And
used
we
to walk it.
foremothers and we grandmothers
Nanny and
we
Paul
great.
Bogle used
Some
to
we
walk
used
it.
to draw and who can draw.
And who used to have to bring load to when they walk because they were
Because
slaves.
as I understand,
It was a plantation, you know.
yes, and it was a district.
Okay.
As far as I understand, it was
Also,
a district.
it is an abandoned district.
Yes, it is an abandoned district because up to night before last night, my friend was telling me who was living there.
Okay, okay.
Some of them move out and come down here.
Okay.
And some of them dead out and leave some. But and me not really born at Danvers Pen, but easier from.
So you heard about the videos being created in St. Thomas, right? About the points of interest in St. Thomas?
Yes, I understand. I hear it about it. Hardly.
Yes, we create the videos, and right now we're got a great house.
Where you go? Bring that dog for me. That's my granddad.
Okay. We create the videos, and right now we're at Petersfield because it have a lot of historical significance with the finds you're making.
And let me tell you, my son, Petersfield is one of the best living place right now
Okay.
in Jamaica.
Okay.
I live here with my little baby. She was 3 months old. And now she is 37 years old. And I live out here with her. I'm going to live at Petersfield. And it was one of the best environments. She never sick.
True.
None of them never
No
sick.
pollution.
No pollution. She walked, after catching school age, she walked from Petersfield to City Mission School down at the square.
Okay.
When I came back from Petersfield, is when my big daughter, she down at Martby now, passed her common entrance. So you know it's not now. To go to Martby High School.
Because I don't know if it's true, because I did the last common entrance.
Okay. And you know that times start to get violence. That is one of the things that would make me leave Petersfield.
So Petersfield became a violent place?
Yeah, man. People always scrap car, come in, scrap car, thief people cow and all different kind of something
Okay.
coming from Petersfield. Even
So you're saying like no one lives in Petersfield now?
no, nobody no live up there. The
Okay.
last person was living at Petersfield. And one of my son. And him down in my yard now. Cripple him can't walk. And
Okay.
walk and him back him.
Okay.
He was the last person live at Petersfield. And it's go, we have to go for him to time out because he decides him not leaving.
Okay.
I was working with some people in town named the Miles, the breeder Miles.
Yeah.
They have house up at Petersfield. Right now they have the house up there. They take off all of the house, stop them, thief off everything with the people them have up.
Wow.
The only thing is going on at Petersfield now, to me, my son, is people rearing cows.
Okay.
Not even cane. Them they plant it in a cane and the cane just abolished.
Okay.
So
we
it's
understand.
just people have the lands raising cows and whatever and whatever.
Okay. So
And after you hear 6 o'clock at evening time, people timid come out there, them do them rounds and then go over there. All man they come from foreign and juggies and buy house at Petersfield now.
okay.
And live up there. That time me live up there. To the Monday, me gonna Monday and buy them little food and
So
come
like a
and
serious place.
It's serious now. First time it wasn't that, but since the young and rising people them come up now, the guys they don't want to work like
That's
we.
why we are trying to teach people them culture, make people can go back to them culture and know that we are Jamaicans, because people adopt cultures from all over the world except for them own culture. People want to wear kerchief over them face, they want to rap people, they want to do this and that. It's not Jamaican.
And we don't know our culture, and Jamaicans are supposed to thief, we're supposed to share with each other.
Alright, you understand, because we
You
are
see
come
me
from
out
far.
here now and you ask me, say, Mama, you want your $100? If I need it, I say yes. And if I don't even need it, I take it from you because it's my son. You could be my grandson.
True.
Okay? Because as much as you see me look here, last week, Friday gone. If you could have given me a guess, how old you think I'm supposed to be?
I don't want to guess.
76 years old.
Me that's a 63.
76 years old.
Peeps, you hear that? She is 76 years old.
I have 14. I have 14 kids.
Okay, that's
I have
nice.
10 alive. And Father
pass.
God take 3. And gunman take 1.
Okay,
I have
I understand.
grand, the great get now.
I understand.
But by the grace of God, I am still here.
Okay. We are going to move on still now because we are here so far and we want to reach.
Yes, Petersfield far.
Alright, and we want to reach, so
Yeah, man.
we have to,
Yeah, man.
we have to really move on now,
Yeah,
alright?
man. Move on and see if you can reach before the night. Because if you're not going through the woods, you have to come out back. To come
Through the
get
woods,
some-
where we can go through the woods. Funtil?
Remember me tell you, this is One Till Road. And
Okay.
that is Petersfield Road. So if you want to walk the long mile of Petersfield, reach to Eunice Valley and go down to Yallas.
No, I'm
Which is
more
along.
interested. I'm more interested in getting back to Trinityville.
Okay. Well, you have to go come down back and
All
take
right.
something again.
No
Before
problem.
them say you're not to come on the road, boy.
Alright. Alright. Thanks. Yeah. Peeps. Hey, look like we have to take our next taxi, you know, because the place is far. The lady just said really far. We're going to walk still. Think we can make it. You know, but what I'm worried about is the curfew time, because curfew time will come close, is it? And 8 o'clock a curfew now, and I guess a minutes to 4. And if we have 2 more hours to walk for reach, we're not going to make it, but we'll do it. And follow me. Yeah, peeps, I don't know if the one you're going to make, you know. I swear I don't know if the one you're going to make, because, you know, the time I get late. Yeah, and when I reach half of the journey, much less quarter, we're going to walk still. So we'll walk with me and make we see if we can reach down. Give me yourself fast, so you might walk fast. You might walk left me so that when him reach somewhere he can sit down and rest, him just sit down and rest and wait for me. So I get more rest. Yeah? Yeah, man. So I'll walk. The amazing thing is that we're in Danvers Pen, but we're on Fountail Main Road. I don't understand the part still. Somebody can help me with that. somebody who can help me with that, alright? Yeah, man. Peeps, this is the Danvers Pen River. The riverbed where the vehicle, if you notice one car over there, so I drive through the river. Yeah, man, right over here, so I come. I was searching for the aqueduct. I think I did see it, but I know you said they will have to go further up. So, we'll move fast because we want to reach. Come with it. Guys, Danvers Pen seems to be a rather lively community. Not an abandoned community for that matter. No, not an abandoned community. A rather lively community, but the distance far. We are walk. Guys, honestly, I don't think we can reach today because I think we have over 3 hours walking for do. But I search for the aqueduct in the meanwhile, so I find the aqueduct. We don't know that go. So, yeah. We are walk far. How much more? Half mile? Well, it's straight, man. I searched for a great house with a Petersfield. Great house? It's an archaeological site of slaves, plantation. It's over there, right? A long time, I don't know where there. I hear about it. Okay. Yeah, man, Elite Jamaica YouTube channel. Yeah, peeps, so the journey far, really far. The person that gave me the information, they never tell me say it's so far, I swear. And this really far. We have the taxi but them full. I want to reach. I might try to reach, but I'm not sure if I'm going to make it. Because this far. You know, we walk for like 3 hours now. You know this is one big long road behind me. So we're going to try still. Alright, I want to see that place here. Here, peeps. So the rain has come down. I want to keep my laugh after me, no peeps. Yeah, man, like him love when rain fall. But I want church attack him. Yeah. Look like one church, one old church. Yeah, old church. Yeah. We are what? I'm tired, you know? Like, yeah. I'm not even feeling like Dora today. I'm tired. Yeah? See church, peeps. Who know that church, yeah? Let me know. Guys, it's a rather long walk. Yeah, you see it now. But yeah, why this road is rather the better road. So I don't know why this is another main road, because this road takes you to Trinity also. Unless because persons have to go into the town and I might be able to take taxi. But this is the better road, you know. But where they are going to walk still. Beautiful mountainside. I'm tired, but it's still pretty. Peeps, we just get confirmation, so about 3 miles to where we're going. Alright, so see that long road in front of we? Yeah, we have to walk straight down that, turn one corner, walk straight and then turn right. So that we do, that them stuff we do. Yeah, peeps, so it's a rather long journey, and now we're seeing an even longer stretch in front of us. Yeah, so we'll try and make it. As you know, we already left, so it makes no sense to turn back, right? So we're trying to make this journey and make it quick to catch curfew. So yeah, we stop on a little shop still, you know, get snacks. So wait for me. Guys, and this is the Ackee factory in Danvers Pen. That's where Ackee is processed and canned to be shipped. Alright, so yeah, the persons that I told about the Ackee factory, that's the Ackee factory in Danvers Pen. We're not able to go over there right now, as yeah, but we're up our way. There's a long stretch in front of our peeps. Guys, so Akeem just tell me one story, you know, so him ride through here so one time when I'm going to look for work at Surge Island or Belvedere. I'ma tell me how it far. Tell them how it far.
To the way it far, peeps. I tell you. I did want to turn back, but through me interested for the work, I did just a continue the journey, but I did really want to turn back because it's far and I'm not seeing no house. That's why I wonder when I did that. Come like wrong turn.
Yeah, people, sorry about that. The truck did not pass. Him say he never know when they done anything. But we now go down the road like to go to Belvedere right now. We're gonna take this road because we're heading to a place called Petersfield. So just go for the right road. Mom, is this the right road to Petersfield? Okay, so the lady said at the right road to Petersfield, so we're up on the right road. So just go to find out where we are. You know, follow me. So peeps, we reach in Danvers Pen. We almost reach a Petersfield. This is our bridge road upon. So I keep over there, so I'm tired and I'm going to go home. So peeps, I saw the road still. We're up in a bush now. Yeah man, but the road still kinda good. That's the amazing thing with Danvers Pen, yeah? Yeah man, but we decided to not turn back because the more we walk the closer we get. So we'll try to find it. Alright? Yeah. Yeah guys, so I just turn around for my road and because my mind tell me to around us, so the great house down, you see that cow there? Look there. You see him? Yeah. My mind tell me to around us, so the great house there, Akeem say I'm not around here so still, but I turn and I don't know if I hit my find, but I still find one building. And yeah, I'm going to show you that I call Akeem still. See him there I come. As me alone now go over there. I think of the great house. My heart start beat peeps. If you don't want it to be the great house, type great house in the comments. I think of it. You know? I will want to give you a sneak peek, but I'm not sure. So, yeah. I don't think of it. But I'm going to go over there still. Yeah. Yeah, I think of it, you know. A little cottage over there, peeps. See? So I make Akeem hold the camera, peeps, and we go over there. Come in there, come hold the camera. Quick. This one building though, different from this though. Hold this. Follow me. So peeps, a people property, you know. But I still have one building, so I check it out. Not this building, no, next building.
I eat same one, yes? Yeah.
The same house, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. Another great house this. Make sure for the right road with the pan. You think Corona set that still no, I'm not lying, I feel like Corona set then if you saw him. Feel like Corona there. Then not take a chance. Them still not turn over pump on the right. Is that the reach though?
Yeah.
If we just go around. So when I Corona so I come back up the road. Go back on the main. You can find somebody to talk. Peeps, follow me please. Cut your man. Yeah peeps, so we come back off of the road and we're back on the main road. We just ask some bike man to find it. Them say if we go up until we see one Y road. And if we go up on the left side of the Y road. And yeah. So that's what we do. Alright, so we're in the vicinity of Petersfield. So we're going to try to find it. Alright, follow me. Yeah guys, so this little community seems to be an abandoned community. here where people used to live. Seems to be a rather serious place still, because the type of people I see I pass for more time not really normal. But then, yeah, we come in peace and we are looking for what we are looking for. So, yeah, right now me are looking up peeps, because me dead near, me can feel it. So, that me I do, alright? So, now come with me. So when I came hiding in some bush a while ago, I walk past him and never see me. And then me reach in front time, me hear somebody behind me and I don't know who. You know, yo, don't do that again. You know. Peeps, we go up in the bush. The road get smaller and smaller. Yeah, but I can feel it, that it's near. So yeah, that way I do. Yeah, peeps, we're there close. We can feel it. And yo, this plantation I think was very, very, very large. You see it because you can see the layout of the land. And sugarcane still over there, so anyway. You see me? So this plantation was very large. I think we are going to find the relics of the Great House. I'm kind of 70% sure. Because it's not really last from too long. Yeah, we are going to find it. I keep up my eye now, yo. Because it can be on any side. Just look for piece or something. Something we can... You know, peeps? Yeah. That's what we do. We're tired, you know. We walk like 4 hours now. Yeah, but we almost reached, so we'll continue. Alright. We're not going to the cane piece still, you know that. Cane piece over there, so peeps. Akeem. So right now, you know, once we reach so far up in the bush, we're on high alert. So yeah, I keep my eye open there. We're on high alert and we're trying to be safe at all means possible. But we'll search for this thing, alright? So peeps, phone up on charge, and yeah, the beautiful mountainside. Yeah. We still have a little distance to go, and that's where we are come from. You see, but we know the Great House down here, we can actually feel it down here. And to the lay of the land, we can know it down here. So, yeah. Guys, this officially is the longest journey we ever do on foot. Yeah. And I don't think it's ready for done it. But we reach far to them. It would make no sense to turn back right now, because that would mean to walk for nothing at all. So, we are going to walk. We're near the house because I see one of the posts them from the house. That a part of construction from the house. You just see that, guys. You know? Yeah. That a part of the construction from the house. You see that? Concrete. So, and there's the next piece. See it here, dog. Up here, there. House up here. We'll find it. Yeah, guys, I think I just found the Great House. Come on, listen to me. The house is up on the wall up on the flat, you know. Hold this, man. Hold the camera. Yeah, guys, now check to see if I it. And a concrete.
A tree that.
A tree. So you never see a tree? So you never tell me?
So I don't tell you, sir. I don't eat.
Babes, a piece of tree now, I keep not tell me say a piece of tree now, I think it's a concrete, you know. Alright, peeps, so that's not it. Cut camera off here. Yeah, peeps. We'll find our house. I don't know where yet. Sweating on my eye. But I'm go over there because no, block on cement. Something around there, sir. something again. Watch it.
Bar.
Yeah. Never catch me. Come in. Come.
Kicks like it though, person.
A tick? I don't know about the tick, I don't know about the cow. Cow bigger. So peeps, that is not the house. We still a search. We're not far still, but we reach too far to turn back. Okay, looking at the bush every single thing. Yes, nothing? Alright. You know, you kind of see better than me. So.
Good.
Yeah, peeps. So, we're not find the house yet. Time will get late. I suppose 2 minutes to 5 now, no peeps. And we have 3 hours before curfew. I think we can get that to go home. Well, look, if we not find it, I don't know, but we're going to look further and see if we find it, peeps, because we'd love to find it. The distance far, we're tired, and the distance to go back, now go normal. So, come see if we find it still. So guys, we're up in the middle of nowhere. I want to find the house, and I don't know. Normally them would have live more closer to them plantation, you know. We just go around the corner here and see if we find it. If you're not around the corner, I have to go turn back because time is against me. I have to make curfew at him. I got over there, sir? The river track. Yeah. Alright. People sometimes them eat up the stone before them walk the river, and it look like it's a concrete structure. But so far we're not lucky to find the house. I'm really disappointed at the first I set out to find something and don't find it. I feel really disappointed, peeps. I have to come back. Just hope. I just wish me did have a drone or some better information. Like that? I know I'm close to the thing, you know. I know I'm close to the house. But I just now see it. I'm not like that. Guys, I have to go. I don't know.
Over there, so there's a river.
There's a river over there, so you can't over there. So. Guys, I think we really have to call it quits. Because this now work out. Alright. A minute to 5. It's gonna go over the hill. I'm not gonna make it back at Trinity because I walk where I walk. So we have to turn back. Alright? Yeah, peeps. So blessings. Peeps, you know, we just turn back. We turn back, you know, and I go down the road, you know. And we just want to turn off. And Keem I say, yo, I could go over this. So. I'm not say, alright. But you know, if I reach us, so, I see that. Look there, Keem. Show them that. I see the entrance. And I say yes. At the entrance of the plantation. Peeps, we find the plantation. We find the plantation and come like it humongous, like it big. You follow me? Look at me, ninja man walk. Yeah guys, this is the plantation. And the house that
Seems so.
see a building structure, guys. Yeah, way up in the hills with them.
Yeah.
It's amazing for the people that come live here. Come put them house. Yeah, this are the great house.
It's a piece more up there, sir.
And plantation. Yeah. Guys, our biggest plantation this. We find the biggest plantation find ever. The shot is a come across the river in Akim.
Yeah. See ya, guys.
Guys, our biggest plantation find this, and this is the one. Yo! Come in, Akim. We have to go in there. Watch out. And the plantation, bro. hole, you know.
Yeah, hole. See the guys? A whole lot. It's hollow.
You like some underground.
Yeah.
Hey, peeps, this big, you know. And guess what? It did fancy, you know. I say it did fancy. Come here, Akeem, me show you something. Look on the wall. You would think it's modern wall, but then look. It's a stone wall, you know. Finished to perfection. So beautiful. You can imagine when this did up and running. Now I'll show you one step around at the front. So first, peeps, this is our biggest plantation find, you know. One of the houses, you know, and guess what? We have find all of the house them together because one more up there, right, it's a sheep. One more they right up there, so peeps. Come like the house of an underground, like it have a lower floor. Look. Really huge. And it seems like them somebody they take it over and build like in the modern days, you know. You see that though?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That and a block, a stone
And
though.
stone.
Whoa! Hey, guys, it's fabulous. You can imagine in the building that is up and running. Look on the finish. Look on the finish, peeps. Look on it. Me check out the block. It's stone. Whoa! Peeps, this is our biggest plantation find. Yes, this is our biggest plantation find. I'll go for the next one. This is our document. I'm so goddamn excited right now. We are going to document this, that find here, and then we can know the information about it. Come go for the next house. Okay, support the turn back. Support the turn back and go straight down the road.
How to find it?
How to find it? Guys, all water done, you know. Look, a little bit of Akeem left. Show them what you have. Look here. Let me come here. See that over there?
Huh?
See that over there?
Yeah, that look like this.
So guys, come here, Akeem. Guys, we're downstairs in the basement, right? This are the main entrance, you know, as you notice, you know. This are the main entrance going upstairs. This are the ground floor. This was a mansion, peeps. A very great mansion back in them days there. Because if it's so big right now, can you imagine? And then the stone finish. Oh God. Hey. Guys, this is our biggest plantation find. And come on, walk to the next thing. I got over there?
Yeah.
That not big. This not big. That big. Not big. So big. What a lucky thing we're going to charger. You hear something?
Hmm?
A cow?
Yeah.
You hear something now? You hear it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Oh, what's that? A tree.
Tree. It's a pig pen.
What that?
Tree. But this is a pig pen.
Yeah. It wasn't always a pig pen. Akeem, you don't know what this is? Yeah. Yeah, people. Peeps, you know we're up on high alert now, because me I hear people. This one is people building, like people building some over the place. Oh, is a cow that?
Yeah.
House construction now, but them turning out pig pen. That's why we see no more construction, because one more supposed to be there. The mill is supposed to be there. Guys, there's supposed to be a mill and a plantation house. That's the mansion we find down there. So this is supposed to be the plantation house for them put one pig pen. I'll show you that when we come back. I'll look to see if we can find the mill, either the water mill or the sugar mill. So, follow me. that over the cabin?
No,
How about that? No, big concrete that over the cabin.
no.
How about that?
3.
No concrete that.
No.
This was a really large plantation, people. A really humongous plantation. I don't see no more building structure. I don't think I want to go too far from the people in land still. Because you know how it got trespassers will be shot down. So, yeah.
A cow we are go up there so too, you
You
know.
know, so how sit down there, so?
Yeah.
You can see the layout of the land, you know.
Yeah.
Them usual dead says like them usual cow fighting, bull fighting, or horse racing or something, but the whole around us would have come in like an arena area with them build around there. You see how there's a build like a stand, like a stadium stand?
Yeah.
That's what them usually do around here, so. Them usually do something around here, so. I don't know what.
A cow there up there so, you know.
The cow there, them the farm, man. As I know, I see them, so now go up there. So guys, because there are cows up there, I don't think no other buildings are up there. So, no, I don't think no other buildings are up there. This is a plantation. You're not supposed to go no further because what I heard is that they were in a close proximity. So, I'm not up there, so. So, the middle of the more if they're over in the bush over there, so. Show them over there, so. The more if they're in the bush over there, so. Are down, and this are the stands right here them used to do. Like a little arena thing, like right over here where you see the pig pen. I'll show you that now, guys. Come in. Because it's raining. Rain will come down. I can feel that.
Yeah.
Babes, if rain catch we up here, so we get knocked. Because there's no shelter. A bush with it, it's only a road. And we can't shelter another road. Come here. Come here, please.
So you want to introduce yourself to one of the cow them?
Who, me?
Yeah.
When I pick them,
Cow.
where them there?
Them they all over the place, bro.
Pigs, have a look for them.
Huh?
Look for the pigs.
Like big. In the dung man.
This area was like a stage area or something. Them rebuild it, like them turn it in a pig pen or something right now. But this was round the back was like a stadium area. We don't know what them used to do if a hockey polo, bullfighting, horse racing hour, but it was like a stadium area around by the back. This was a seating area all around here, you know? Yeah, just as we suspect. But I make modifications and turn it into a pig pen, something for farm. So them people are the rich then.
Seems.
Who you see?
Huh?
Who you see? You see this at seems. Over here, look, piggy.
I yellow man.
Piggy. Are you pig? Alright, look. In there for real, look.
Yeah. Put a finger in your mouth. No, put a finger in his mouth. And you know.
You do it.
My friend, yes, man.
You do it, huh?
Huh?
You do it. Guys, Piggy asleep and come and go home. Later, Piggy. What in this?
Huh?
What in this?
I don't know, go on. Pull it now. Huh? Go on now. When I come back?
See? This is a construction, no?
No,
The house
that's
that- the
bush.
house that come right, so.
No, bush that.
Guys, you know, that?
Yeah.
Guys, you know one of the worst thing for me see when I'm up on a like a historic site, that one tractor wheel. What that do this, so? Who does that? You want to put it up to drive tractor now?
Cut.
Sweat and blood, your empire was built on sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, your empire was built on sweat and blood. Sweat and blood, black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. With the rich and powerful too, with free slave labor. Plantation go for miles without no neighbor. America the soil, it's the black man grave, yeah. Caribbean the place with colonial slave, yeah. Fight for freedom because you're brave. Politics and religion that now go save ya. Free up yourself and I give you no favor. Them slave you in the name of Jesus. Say them smart and we are the idiot. Them kill you in the name of the Lord. No other race on earth that is so hard.
Welcome to Jamaica. One love in Jamaica. Respect every time.
One love to Jamaica.